pound. That's right. Man, what a first half. It's nacho day here in the Sanctuary of Satisfaction. I'm TD, and this is TD's Brew and Barbecue. Pound of leftover brisket. Fried it up. Crunchy, meaty, juicy, fatty, delicious. I want the fat. I want all the renderings from the brisket. Half a cup of butter. The monsters of the Midway. Beer cheese. Fat renderings from the brisket. This stuff is hot. Nice roux here. Da-da-da-da-da-da. The spicy Carne Sutra. I want this beer cheese to be badass. Make sure you choose your safe word. There's 2 cups of milk. Got us a nice little roux here. Beer cheese, right? Ain't nothing finer than an ice cold shiner. This is something that nobody else has in their beer cheese. The Southern mustard. Mustard, it is a barbecue sauce to a nice boil here. 6 cups of cheese. Them boys. Yeah, they're winning right now. I'm gonna put in 1, 2 handfuls. That's probably about 2 or 3 cups. We're gonna keep going. Again, I don't measure, I just add. Go Bears, go Bears, go Bears. You can tell it is a good beer cheese. Look at that. That is one hell of a beer cheese, everybody. Beer cheese, everybody, beer cheese.